today what we're going to do is make samples of the glazes we have. We don't have a lot of glazes, but most of them we haven't actually fired at all. But we really do need to know what those glazes look like, what the final fired colour looks like. Now we have worked out our schedule. We are going to use the same schedule throughout, but it is important that we get these samples done before we can really do any design work from here on in. So that's what it's about today.
So I've made up some squares up to do the samples with, and on one side it will be plain and the other side will be textured. And we will bisque them and then glaze them.
Yeah, so that's going to be a long process because obviously we're going to glaze each one in a little small microwave kiln. So we've got 12 to do, but that's 12 goes in the microwave kiln, which is going to take some time because you've got to heat it up and cool it down. And well, by the way, we will be candling, and if you're not sure what candling is basically preheating, just to drive out any moisture. So we'll be candling all the pieces in another kiln prior to actually firing them. But we'll probably talk about that in another video. So Anne's going to do most of the work,
yep.
Not me. But hopefully, oh yeah, and at the end, we're going to actually display them on a board. We'll show you that, and that'll be hung up on a wall somewhere, and that'll be our reference. Anyway, hopefully this will be of use to you. You'll see what we're doing, and hopefully the schedule that we use, if you've got the same sort of kiln, will be good for you. And that's about it. I'll see you at the end. So will Anne. It's all right. We're just laughing because I keep stuffing this up. If you think the video is of some value to you, please subscribe. Make sure you turn on the notifications because otherwise you won't know when we publish things. Now, Anne's got something to say.
I just wanted to say that I'm really happy we did this because the glazing turned out really well. It was impressive and it made me more confident that when we use these glazings that they're going to be really good to have.
Yeah, and when you feel confident about the colour, you will feel a lot more confident about designing things up, whatever they are, you know. For me, for the stands, honestly, that... You realise I'm going to leave that in the video. For me, when I do the stands, when I actually did a video making a stand for some fused glass, and the colours weren't quite what I expected, so having these samples is going to be a lot of help in that sort of thing.
Sorry, I had an alarm because I've got something else in the kiln.
Yeah, and we don't want to try and make this a nice polished video. We're no good at that for a start. Anyway, we're going to show you the final results right now, and in the next video, or I should say, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.
Bye.